Okay guys, I wanted to show you how to do the trans mounts on this 2001 Honda Odyssey. It has a 3.5 liter in it. We're going to do two tranny mount, transmission mounts. The larger one here will come towards the front of the engine. That one will go to the back of the engine. So if you need that one, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and I'll show you how to put that one in. But for now, we're going to put this one in. So let's crawl up underneath. There's going to be a subframe, and we'll be able to get right to the subframe just with it up in the air. We're right here to the left of the tire under the front of the vehicle. There's these two holes right here, and we're just going to go up there with a 14 millimeter and pull those two out, which I've done. Then straight up here we have a 14 millimeter. I'm like right above the lower control arm. There's one there, and then now let's go towards the exhaust and turn our head, and you'll see the other one that's right there. You'll have to grab from the same direction. So let's go back here. If you look right where we pulled this one out, straight through here, you use a small extension with a 14. I don't know if you can see that or not, but we'll pull that one out. Here's where it's broke right here. The other one is broke as well. So again, if you need that video, click on my name underneath this video and I'll show you how to pull this one as well. I think you can see it, maybe. Right there, and there's where it's broke, right up underneath there. So let's go ahead and get this one out of here. We're going to go ahead and put a jack right up here under the transmission now that we have it loose, and we're going to lift it up just a little bit and yank it out. I know I'm not showing much because that tire is not on there, so I hope you understand the concept. Let me show you how it sits in here, just like that. So we pulled these two here that were in the two holes. We pulled this one right here that you can see. The one you cannot see is right over top the back right here. And that's that bolt, and they're shaped just like this. They look like a nut on a bolt, like a nutted stud. So all 14 millimeter, all four. So let's get this transmission up in the air. Up there now, we got it right up underneath the transmission, got it lifted up. I noticed the mount just came right apart, so this guy made a good call because the other trans mount did too, came right apart. So both of them were bad. See if I can jiggle that out of there. This is actually going to make it easier for me to get to that second bolt if I can get it out of there, because I'll be able to see it a little bit better. Well, she's definitely in there good. I'm going to have to come up just a little bit more on the transmission here. Let's see. Well, now she's lifting the car and shifting it. Might need two hands. Nope, there she goes. So there's the old transmission mount, and of course I showed you the new one. Let's grab the new one here. You can see where it's broke right there, completely separated. Oops, sorry, I can see it but my camera wasn't. Yeah, so completely separated. This top piece here is still on the transmission. Still have this bolt here to pull off. So we'll go back in here and you'll get a better view of where that's at. So this is the one that we have. Let me clear that up a little bit. And right in there is the one that we need. So let me get that one off and we'll get ready to set this other trans mount down in here and set this transmission back down. Okay, so got that one set back up in there. I left the socket there so you can see the angle of the dangle there, how it goes on. So plus the socket helps to thread it in by hand till you tighten it. So there's the other one. And then we will just lower the transmission, lower the jack down, lower the transmission, and let that fall right into the two holes here where it wants to, and then just tighten up those two nuts as tight as you can get them. And that's it. So I hope this video helps you out. Now if you need that other trans mount, please click on my name underneath this video like I said, and I'll have it down there for you. If you can't find it, I'll put a link in the comment. Should be under something like 2001 Odyssey rear transmission mount. I'll call this one front transmission mount. So once again, I hope it helps you guys out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Just do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it and it really helps me. And as always, guys, enjoy.